What's good, my fellow creators? Today, I want to talk about some of Neville Goddard's work. If you're interested, please stay tuned till the end of the episode. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Neville Goddard wrote that man cannot see outside of the construct of his own consciousness. For those of you who are familiar with my work, I often quote the Buddha when he said that mind is the forerunner of all things, right? Mind is everything. We are the product of our own consciousness, which means that there's nothing else for each individual outside of the consciousness. There is nothing else. So consciousness is everything. Neville Goddard said that we should not be enslaved by what we see objectively, which is what we see outside of the world, right? Because everything is subject to the subjective mind, which is what? Our own consciousness. So in order for us to change our lives, we should not, and now I'm going to quote Abraham Hicks, give too much credence to what we see outside. Because what we see outside is a direct result of what we have held inside prior to what we have seen. So what we have seen not only is our own consciousness materialized, objectified. It is objectified and created because we have, prior to that, deliberately or not, hold an image of what the world we want to be in. Now, if it's deliberately, it's because we have visualized a certain way, scripted a certain way, affirm new beliefs, etc., etc. All those wonderful techniques. If we've done it in a way that is not deliberately, if we're not aware that we create our reality, then we have done it through our limiting beliefs, through our conditioning, etc., etc., so on and forth. So it is important to understand that man does not see anything outside of the construct of his own consciousness. Your consciousness is everything. And this is the most important thing in life, because as soon as we understand this, now, understanding is the first step. We need to understand it, but we need to work on it. But as soon as we understand it, we can be accountable, or at least more accountable towards everything that's happening in our life, because this is our responsibility, nobody else's. Everybody else's responsibility stems from their own consciousness. You deal with your own consciousness, you see the world from your own consciousness. So you need to take full responsibility towards what is happening, and you need to cultivate the mind, the consciousness, in order for you to create the life you want. Now I want to keep those small study videos short and straight to the point. So I'm done for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm Sebastian. If you want more of this type of videos, Neville Goddard, Joseph Murphy, and all those good people, the studying law of attraction, etc., etc., please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Sebastian. I'm a manifestation mindset meditation coach. If you want more information, please check in the description box below. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you very soon.